So in this video we will be solving remaining questions from the topic determinants. So the question says let n be the number obtained on rolling a fair die. Okay, if the probability that the system has a unique solution, again this is from Kramer's rule, dear students. So for unique solution, delta is not equal to 0. And what is delta? The coefficient determinant, that is 1 minus 1 1 1 n minus 2 n plus 1, and I think it is 0 n minus 1 and 1. This is not equal to 0. That means what? Expand the determinant along the first row, we get 1 into n minus 2 minus n minus 1 into n plus 1 is n square minus 1, and then minus of minus n becomes plus n into 1 minus 0, and then plus 1 into n minus 1 minus 0. So we get, this is not equal to 0. That means what? We get n minus 2 minus n square plus 1 plus n minus 1 not equals to 0. Ultimately we get what do we get? Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So I think we will be left with 3n minus 2 minus n square not equals to 0. We can write this as minus of n square minus 3n plus 2 not equal to 0. I think we can factorize this as minus of n minus 1 into n minus 2 not equals to 0. That means n is not equals to 1 comma 2, right? So when a fair die is rolled, n be the number obtained on rolling a fair die. That means what? When a fair die is rolled, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 as the outcomes, but n cannot be 1 comma 2. That means n belongs to either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, right? N can take any of these values, one of these values. So if the probability that the system has a unique solution, that means what is the probability that the system has a unique solution? Required probability will be 4 upon 6. Why 4? Because the favorable outcomes are 4. That is either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So that is 4 by 6. So that means k is 4. Okay, so k is 4. What is the question? Then the sum of k and all possible values of n. It's a very simple question. So required answer will be 4 plus, k is 4 plus some required possibilities will be, required values of n, that will be, or possible values of n will be 3, 4, 5, 6. So what do we get? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So the required answer should be 22. I think 22 is the correct answer. Now let us go to the next question, dear students. Next question, he says the system of linear equations has, again the same thing, Kramer's rule. So we'll first find delta. I think the options are in this way, unique, infinitely unique. So for that we have to definitely find delta first. So 1, 1, 1, then 2, 5, a, and 1, 2, 3. So if I expand the determinant along the first row, I get 1 into 15 minus 2a minus 1 into 6 minus a plus 1 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So delta will be equals to 15. So this is minus 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And then we have minus 2a plus a is minus a. So that means if a is equals to 8, then delta is 0. We cannot have a unique solution. So for unique solution, that means this option and this option are ruled out. That means now the other possibilities, infinitely many solutions. For infinitely many solutions, delta is equals to delta 1 is equals to delta 2 is equals to delta 3 should be 0. That means therefore a is equals to 8. That means either the answer is option 2 or option 4. For that we have to find b. So to find b, we will do one thing, we'll find delta 3. Delta 3, right? We'll find delta 3. Delta 3 will be 1, 2, 1. Then we get 1, 5, 2. Then we get 6, 36b. 6, 36b. Now this should be equals to 0, right? For infinitely many solutions, expand the determinant along the first row, we get 1 into 5b minus 72 minus 1 into 2b minus 36 plus 6 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1 equals to 0. So we have so we can write 56 minus 72 minus 2b plus 36 minus 6 equals to 0. So 56 minus 6 is 50 minus 72 plus minus 72 plus 36 is minus 36 minus 2b equals to 0. So we can write 50 minus 36 is I think 14, b should be equals to 7. That means for infinitely many solutions, a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 7. So what should the, okay, there is definitely a calculation mistake. Definitely we'll identify it quickly. I think just we made a blunder. This should be 5 into b should be 5b. This is not 56, this is 5b. I'm really sorry. So this should be 5b. So okay, so 5b minus 2b is 3b, minus 72 plus 36 is minus 36, minus 6 equals to 0. I hope now I'm correct. 3b minus 42. Are we in the right direction? Yeah, probably. So b will be equals to 42 divided by 3. That should be, so I think b is 14. So for infinitely many solutions, a equals to 8 and b is 14. Now I think it is correct. Yeah, I think option 4 is correct. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one.